Hi everyone, I'm Max, the Marketing Product Manager from Hytera. Thanks for joining today. Over the next 30 minutes, I will walk you through our mobile security solution, why it matters, the key risks it addresses, and the true value it delivers to organizations like yours. Okay, let's start. Here's a roadmap. First, the risks of using unsecured devices. Second, where our security makes a difference and the value it delivers. And third, what's the engine of our security, why it is simple and efficient to deploy. We will finish with Q&A. Before we talk about our solution, let's first look at the problem. At a recent exhibition, a lot of people we've spoken with mentioned that security risks from their regular smart devices are a real concern. Regular smartphones are still being used for sensitive communication and data exchange, but that comes with several risks. First is eavesdropping. Voice calls and messages can be intercepted or recorded without anyone noticing. Second, malware infiltration. A single application can open a backdoor to your entire system. Third is location exposure. Your location information may be illegally obtained. Fourth is data leakage. If the device is lost or stolen, unencrypted file can easily fall into the wrong hands. And finally is the unauthorized access. Hackers can activate microphones, cameras, or location services remotely. These are not just technical risks, they translate into operational disruption, reputation loss, and even personal safety issues for frontline staff. That's why security cannot be an afterthought. Now that we understand the risks, let's talk about how we address them. Our thinking is simple. Security should be built in, not added on. At Hytera, we combine hardware-based protection with software-level intelligence to form a multi-layered security system. We focused on 5 key parts: anti-tampering, anti-eavesdropping, anti-tracking, anti-data theft, and security protection. Together, this creates a trusted foundation that protects not only data and communication, but also people we rely on them in critical missions. In short, it's a completely ecosystem designed around your mission, not just a checklist of security features. And this is where the PNC 660 comes in, a device that turns this thought into real-world protection. Next, I would like to talk about how Hytera builds a comprehensive security architecture and what value we can deliver to you based on it. Let's take a close look at the hardware side, because true security always starts from the hardware. The PNC 660 follows a financial level hardware security design, the same standard used in banking systems. If we are thinking about the security of PNC 660's hardware, it's kind of same as wondering how safe my money is in the bank. It protects the circuits and interfaces from unauthorized access, keeps users safe by verifying the batteries, applies multi-anti-tampering layers to detect physical attack, and uses an independent secure element for encryption and key storage. In short, it's not just a tough hardware, it's a trustworthy hardware designed for critical missions. Now that we've looked at the hardware security, let's move to the software side. Because hardware alone is not enough. The PNC 660 adopts a comprehensive multi-layered security architecture, from the hardware layer all the way up to the application layer. At the bottom is the hardware and bootloader. They work together to establish trust with secure chips, hardware keys, anti-tampering design, and security bot verification. For the kernel and firmware layer, then enforce isolation and encryption, using strongbox, sandbox, and permission control to stop unauthorized access. And finally, at the application layer, we provide user-facing protection, like confidential mode, convert modes, application lock. So, this is how Hytera builds security that runs through the entire system, not just on the surface. This device, PNC60, shows Hytera truly stands for mission first, safety always. Every design decision behind the PNC660 serves one simple goal: to protect your mission, your people, and your data. Do you remember the risks we mentioned before? The value we provide here is clear and practical. Anti-tampering, to keep your devices unbreakable. Anti-eavesdropping, to ensure your communication and data remain private. Anti-tracking, to safeguard you from location exposure. Anti-data theft is to protect sensitive information even if the device is lost. And finally is security protection, to ensure the personal safety of users. In short, our mobile security solution isn't just a simple device. It is a trusted partner that keeps your mission safe, anytime, anywhere. Let's start with anti-tampering, because it's a foundation of trust. The meaning of anti-tampering is simple: to guarantee the legitimacy of every device, so that only a trusted terminal can operate in your system. We achieve this in two layers: hardware and system. On the hardware side, we use a mesh detection mechanism. Once the device is physically tampered with, the system will instantly erase all data to prevent any leakage. Also, the battery is equipped with anti-counterfeiting authentication, ensuring that only verified original batteries can be used. Also, the CPU, memory, and secure element chip are tightly bound, which means if any component is replaced, the device simply won't function. Okay, and on the system side, as soon as you press the power button, the PNC60 performs a full chain startup verification. Through the security boot, the firmware verification, data integrity detection, and secure authentication. If any of these 4 checkpoints fail, the device will not boot. In short, both hardware and software work together to ensure that only trusted devices can operate, keeping your network clean and secure. Next is anti-eavesdropping. In today's connected world, protecting voice and data is protecting lives. And honestly, no one wants to walk while wandering. Is someone listening right now? So, privacy builds trust, and trust keeps missions moving. The PNC60 uses a band-grade secure element to manage encryption keys and true random number generation. Calls, messages, and push-to-talk sensors are protected by ECDH key exchange and AES 256 encryption. It also providing end-to-end encryption tech. If customer needs, third-party applications can use our encryption APIs as well. So, secure communication extends beyond built-in functions. To prevent audio leaks, we apply application whitelist and permission controls so that only approved software can access the microphones or speaker. In real terms, this means your team can discuss sensitive operations freely without worrying about being listened to. The third part is anti-tracking. Location data reveals more than coordinates. It tells stories, routes, routines, even identities. And let's be real, nobody wants the world to know where they are or where they're going all the time. The PNC60 prevents tracking on multi-levels. It automatically detects fake base station and blocks suspicious network probes. It also protects GNSS at the driver level. And where absolute privacy is required, it also can physically disconnect the GPS signal path. For near-field threats, operate Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and NFC all require secure element authorization, with verified live addresses to prevent hotspot tracking. Policies can be fully customized. You can decide when and how positioning can be used. Location tracking simply stops here. That's privacy with control, not with compromise. Let's move on. Anti-data theft. Losing a device should never mean losing your secrets. After all, losing a phone, the thing is common, but losing the information inside shouldn't be. The PNC60 protects information through hardware-level encryption, AES 256 full disk encryption combined with RNC and ECC algorithms. This is managed by the security element certified EAL5+. Sensitive private data are isolated in an area named Private File Vaults and Application Locker. They are inaccessible or uncopyable to the Android layer. Also, through MDM, an administrator can monitor, lock, locate, or remotely wipe devices instantly. Together, these measures minimize data leak damage, reduce potential risks, and keeps your organizations in full control, even when the unexpected happened. Finally is security protection. Beyond information and data security, we also protect people. Because at the end of the day, protecting people is the most important security at all. Technical indeed matters, but people matter even more. The PNC60 includes man-down detection and lone worker alerts that automatically notify command centers if the user is in danger or motionless. It supports confidential mode, which disables camera, microphone, and clipboards to ensure strictly operational security. Track-free mode turns off all positioning, while convert mode allows silence operation in sensitive missions. Together, these functions bridge digital security and physical safety, help organizations take care of both their data and their people. We've just gone through 5 key parts of the PNC60 security framework. Let's take a moment to summarize what they really mean in practical. Anti-tampering ensures every device is unbreakable. Anti-eavesdropping keeps your communication and data private, protected by bank-level encryption. Anti-tracking safeguards you from unwanted exposure or location leakage. Anti-data theft secures critical information even if the device is lost or stolen. And security protection goes one step further, protecting not only data, but also people. So in the end, it's not just about features, it is about trust. A trust that your devices are secure, your people are protected, and your mission never stops. Alright, we've covered a lot about security. Now let's relax a bit and see what's actually inside the PNC60. Next pages tells your own stories. Performance, durability, and design all built to support the security experience we just talked about. First, its mission-critical service commands gives you an instant, crystal-clear push-to-talk with near-zero delay. For audio, our SK Turn Tech is your noise-canceling hero, cutting out 40 dB of background noise, so you will always hear loud and clear. On the camera side, a triple lens system headlined by a 15 million pixels main shoulder ensures you'll capture pro quality photos and stable 4K videos in any light. And the cool part, it can pick up your voice from 10 meters away. Perfect for outdoor operation. That's it. Professional grade communication, audio and video, all in one device. Let's check about the safety key on the left. The red one is not just a button, it's your quick ticket to safety features. Plus about the blue one, you can customize it for code scanning, audio recording or photo taking, or even POC emergency alerts. Super handy, right? Then, there's an industry-first accessory port on the right, Dual Type-C. It's exclusive and easily connection with microphones and earpieces won't let you down. You can focus on what doesn't matters. Now, let's talk about design that's built to last. We focused on three things: comfort, easy to use, and pure reliability. The industry design is made to be comfort. A 6.3-inch screen, a big PTD, the safety key we mentioned, smart key, and Dual Type-C. Everything feels just right in your hand. Then, the super easy use UX design based on Android 14. So the interface is smooth. Plus, the high-talk application wedge lets you access features in a flash. No learning curve here. Lastly, durable design. It's built to last. Over 40 reliability tests can survive a 1.5 meter drop. Handles 400,000 key presses. And the screen? Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Tough as nails. So you can use it worry-free no matter where you are. Finally, the powerhouse inside. The PNC60 is built to performance. It's driven by a powerful 6nm 8-core CPU. That's a top-tier processing speed for any task. You can get a durable FHD screen that's as tough as it is clear. For power users, we packaged in a huge battery with 63 watts fast charging, getting you from 0 to full in just 1.5 hours. And for navigation, dual frequency GPS provide pinpoint accuracy. No matter where your walk takes you, power, endurance, and precision, all in one device by your hand. Beyond the device itself, we provide a complete ready-to-use kit and a wide range of professional accessories to fit any mission profile. To wrap up, I'd like to show you a short video that brings everything we've talked about to life. You will see how the PNC660 performs in real world, from secure communication to field operations.
Copy that, Alpha 21. Can you provide a description?
Male, approximately 30 years old, black jacket, carrying a large backpack. He's pacing back and forth by the entrance.
What you just saw is more than technical. It's a result of years of mission-critical experience. So, to summarize, insecure devices create risks, but with Hytera mobile security solution and PNC60, you gain hardware-rooted protection, intelligent software defense, and mission-ready usability. That combination keeps your people safe, your data secure, and your operations running smoothly. Thank you for your time and attention. I'll be happy to take your questions now or discuss in more detail after the session. Thank you.